If you're even thinking about using PitchMeAI, here are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in, because this could be the best just released AI software this year, or a shiny tool that wastes your time. I've tested thousands of AI tools in the digital marketing space, and PitchMeAI caught my attention immediately. You can try it completely free from the first link below. But before you do, here's what you need to know. And trust me, the last point will save you from a common mistake most users make. PitchMeAI is designed to generate personalized video pitches in minutes, using AI avatars and real-time voice cloning. If you're in sales, recruitment, or any client-facing business, this tool isn't just a nice to have, it's a serious time saver. You can upload your own script, or let PitchMeAI generate one based on your goals. And yes, the AI-generated videos are surprisingly realistic, especially with its growing library of avatars and tones. One thing I noticed right away: the speed. You can create and download a polished video pitch in under 3 minutes, and it integrates seamlessly with LinkedIn, email, or your CRM platform. That means you're not just creating content, you're actually plugging it directly into your outreach funnel. Another thing I appreciated is how beginner-friendly the interface is. If you've never used an AI video generator before, you'll still be able to use PitchMeAI without any tech headaches. Just choose your avatar, select your tone, paste or generate a script, and hit go. Boom, done. Now here's where it really stands out. PitchMeAI includes built-in analytics, so you're not just sending video pitches into the void. You can see who watched, how long they watched, and use that data to follow up smarter. That alone gives you an edge over competitors using plain text emails. One small catch: while the free version is impressive, there are limits on avatar types and export quality. If you're serious about scale, you'll want to unlock the premium plan, but it's still way cheaper than hiring talent or filming yourself 20 times a week. Now for the curveball, most people overlook this, but if you use PitchMeAI with a CRM or LinkedIn automation tool, your results multiply fast. Imagine sending hyper-personalized video intros to cold leads without recording a single one yourself. So is PitchMeAI worth it? If you want to stand out in a noisy inbox, absolutely. It's not perfect, but it's already far ahead of most video AI tools out there. The fact that it just launched and already feels this smooth, that's a big deal. Again, you can try PitchMeAI completely free using the first link in the description. And if you're into AI tools like this, I've listed my top recommended AI software in the description as well. All tested, all free to try. Don't sleep on this.